Cindy. I just wanted to introduce you to my new channel on YouTube. It's called Rockin' the Vape. And the reason I called it that is because, number one, I'm a rock and roll girl. Always have been. And I recently became a vapor. So I'm about 6 months into vaping, and I really like it. Really, really like it. So far, this is probably my favorite mod, the Any box. It has great flavor, it has great clouds, and I'm just in love with it. I have a red one too. Just really like it. It holds a ton of juice, and like I said, the flavor's just great. My number 2 device is the Target, and I have the Target Vaporesso tank on here, and it also has great flavor and great clouds. I don't have any problem with it at all. Really, really good. So good. Okay, and as for box mods, this is my favorite. This is my Snow Wolf. I don't think there's a battery in it. Yeah, I don't have a battery in it right now. But I got the gunmetal limited edition. And then I found the gunmetal tank to match. It's Horizon. And it's called an Arctic. And it's called Gun Edition by Horizon Tech. So this is my favorite box mod. Or larger box mod anyway. And then next is my Sigeli. I love this too. I didn't want to have all black or all silver tanks, so I got the rose gold, and I think it looks okay on this black Sigeli. I don't know what y'all think, but the Sigeli has a pretty good taste, and of course it has really good clouds. This is the 150 model. That's the 200 Snow Wolf. Y'all probably already know that. Then I like this little baby too. I just got this one this past week, and it has really good flavor. It doesn't have huge clouds, but it's got really good flavor, and I really like it. And it's so easy to carry around. This is my favorite color, so that's the light I have on. It's the aqua. Decent clouds, great flavor. Really like it. And as far as mech mods go, I like this one. It's called the Assassin. And I actually got it in my welcome vape box. Got a little hair sticking straight up there. Anyway, it came in my first vape box. And I really like it. The button's really good on it. And I've had my hobo on it. It matches great. I'm making coils for it right now, so I don't have it put together. But this is the way I use it, with the hobo. And it's got plenty of airflow and everything. And this is one of my new ones I just got too. It's the Play-Doh, and I wanted this one so bad, but I'm not getting that great a flavor and clouds with it, but I haven't used it a whole lot yet either. So I'll be using this a lot, you know, coming up, so I can tell if I like it or not. And then I got this drip box last week also, and so far I've used 2 different juices in it. And so far, the flavor's really strong. I'm not quite sure if I like the way it tastes or not. But the first juice I put in it, it was popping really bad. Really hot juice, like popping all in my mouth and stuff. And so I changed juices, and you can't turn it down. I changed juices, and it did the same thing. So I don't know if it's the kind of juices that I use, or if it's actually this you know, RBA itself. I'm not sure, but pops the heck out of me. So I haven't used that one too much. Now this one, I wanted this one really bad too. I really like it. It's SMY Touch Box 100. It's a 100 watt. And when I went and put it on my computer to do the update, because you have to do an update so you can use your own wallpapers and everything on the touch screen. Mine froze up, so this is frozen up on the USB screen. Can't get it unfrozen to save my life. I contacted the vendor I bought it from, and they tried to help a little bit. I was hoping they would take it back and they could return it, you know, and get a replacement from SMY, because I haven't been able to get any answers back from SMY either. I've tweeted them, I have emailed, and no response whatsoever. So I don't know about that. And this is my newest one. I just got this yesterday or day before. I think it was Friday. This is the Asmodeus Minikin. And I had to look everywhere to get this color, because as you can see, I like this color. Well, I don't have most of my teal ones in here, but I really like this color, and I haven't used this yet at all. I don't have a tank yet for it, and of course I wanted a matching tank, so I'm trying to find a teal colored tank to go on this, or something that'll match it really good. So that's that, and then I have the V-Park. I like this one too. This one has really good flavor too, and pretty decent clouds, but I don't know what happened whenever I took it apart. I can't get it back together. So for some reason, I think this piece is stuck on here, and I can't get it off. So I got to keep working on this. And so I have two out of commission. And that's about it for new mods in my favorites. I have some more, but let's go to juice. This is my favorite juice. It's called the White Hat. It's a strawberry cream, and it's really, really good. It's really subtle. It's really smooth, and it's an in-house juice I get at a place in Pearland, Texas on Main Street. It's called Main Street Vapor Company, and they're really nice over there. I really like them. I normally get max VG and 3 milligrams, so that's my very favorite. And then I also like Moo E-Liquids, the vanilla almond milk. It's really good. It's a real strong flavor though, and I really like it though. You can really taste the vanilla in this one. And this, I fell in love with this one, Charlie's Chalk Dust. It's called Dream Cream, and I got a small 15 ml bottle of this in my first vape box, and it was so good. It went so fast, so I got me a giant bottle. This doesn't taste quite as good as the other bottle I had. I'm not sure why, but it is good. I really like that too. And then this is I think this is my newest juice, and it's called Bedrock. And what it is, it's like ice cream with fruity pebbles in a glazed donut. It actually sounds so sweet, it's sickening, but it's not. It's not that sweet. It's really delicious. I really taste the vanilla ice cream and the glazed donut part. I don't taste the fruity pebbles very much, but I really like it. Bedrock. So those are my newer juices, and I just wanted to introduce myself and tell you a little bit about, you know, what I'm doing. But I would really like to get into reviewing some products, because I love vaping so much. And as you can see, I'm a collector. I collect, and the more products for me, the better. So I would love to start doing some reviews. If anybody can help me get started, I'd appreciate it. Just PM me here on YouTube and let me know, because I'm not sure how to get started really, you know. I'm trying to make some videos and get them up, but it's taking me a while because I have to make, you know, like the banner for the YouTube and all that kind of stuff. So I'm working on all that, getting the channel started. But it's called Rockin' the Vape, all one word, I believe. And that's also my Instagram, Rockin' the Vape. Okay, so you can follow me on Instagram. And I was going to tell you a couple things I had won. I won this, the Coil Master 521 tab, and I use it all the time. This is the deck for the hobo. I was making new coils for it, and I won. Oh, here, this in a giveaway. The Alliance RDA, and it's version 2. Oh yeah, I was going to show you this too. This is also what I got in my vape box for April, the Tusami. So of course I haven't used it yet, but I will. But I love everything. Like I said, I'm 6 months into vaping, and I don't want to make this video too long. I just wanted to say hello and what I was doing, and let me know what your favorite devices are and what your favorite juices are also. Most of the ones I got in my vape box this month I didn't like. I did get one that I liked, and so I may start reviewing some of the juices I've gotten and stuff. But I got 2 in my first box that I really knows how I can get that touch box unfrozen. I'm willing to listen. And let's see. I say a lot because I'm just trying to think. I have autoimmune disease,